So here's the wig cap that I will be using to crochet the hair onto this wig cap. I got this from my general beauty supply store for a couple dollars. This is the crochet hook that you will need to have in order to crochet the hair onto the cap. And I'm just showing you what it looks like here. So it has a little latch that you can open and close to hold the hair onto it, and that is super simple. It's probably like $2.99. I also got it at my local beauty supply store. Here is the hair that I'm going to be using. It's kind of like a loose curl. It already is pretty much pre-looped. It has like a little like a dent sort of in it, to where you can see where you actually will be able to put that piece of the hair onto the loop of the crochet needle. And of course you just want to make it even, so you make sure that it's half and half in your fingers before you hook it onto the crochet hook and put it onto the wig cap. So here I'm going to be looping the crochet hair onto the cap. I went through probably about 3 or 4 holes across before I put the hair on there, and then I loop it in and go through the wig cap back through the one side, close the crochet hook and loop it through. I made 1 knot here in the back. I do not start at the very bottom row of the wig cap because it is going to be too full in the back, and then you're going to look like, I mean, unless you want your hair super big. I did not, so I do not put the first row down way at the bottom. I started kind of at the top of the cap. Now the cap. Okay, so let me show you that again. You put the crochet hook underneath the cap, go through about 2 or 3 holes, grab the hair, hook it again around the hook of the crochet needle, close the hook, bring it through the holes. It'll go through easily. Take the crochet hook off, loop the hair through the hole, pull it tight, and that is it. Okay, you do this all around the perimeter, not the very bottom of the edge, but go around in a circle, and when you get closer to the top and the middle, you'll make it closer together so that it doesn't have any gaps in the top of your head or the front of your head. So I'm going to show it another time around the side. Go through the bottom of the wig cap, underneath a couple of holes. I'm sorry. This one I went through a lot just to bring the cap together closer to make it tighter. Hook the hair on, close the hook, bring it back through the other side, take the hook off, and then you open up the hole so that you can get the hair through and make a knot. You can double knot this if you like. You can triple knot it if you like. I didn't do that, and my hair stayed on the whole time. I didn't have any hairs come out or anything like that. And that's how the hair looks. And that's it. Okay, here I'm about halfway done, and this is primarily the bottom half of my head and the back and the bottom left and right sides. Here's most of it is completed. I have most of all the back, and as you can see, the top is done. I just have to fill in some more in the front and cut the front up so that I'll have like a little small bang, and that will be primarily it. You could sew this cap down to your head if you want, but I did not do that, so I just put it on my head. Sorry. Here I'm putting in some Nairobi setting lotion. I like to do this to help keep the hair soft, and I like to make sure that the curls stay pretty tight, and this helps because I use this for my rod set too.